Hey YouTube, welcome back. I'm going to be doing the ACV rinse on my hair. I had some braids in. I took the braids out. I pre-pooed my hair with some pre-pooed material that I got from African Pride. I let that sit for maybe 30 minutes. I washed that out, shampooed my hair. After I shampooed my hair, I ended up doing a deep conditioner. And I sat with my hot bag on my head for about an hour. So I washed out the deep conditioner on cold water, with cold water. So what I'm about to do now is the last step, and that's my ACV rinse. But I'm gonna add a little twist to mine because I feel like when I add more, it comes out better. So just stay tuned. Okay, the first product I'm gonna be using is this Aztec healing clay. I'm gonna mix that in the bowl with the other 4 ingredients. Next, I'm going to be using the apple cider vinegar. That apple cider is so strong, y'all. Oh my god, it's strong, but it helps with the process. So just mix that with the clay and add in the other 3 products. So here I'm going to be adding the pure grapeseed oil, one of my favorite oils out of the umpteen million that I own. I don't measure anything. I just pour until I like it, and that's really about it. People have their own way. This is just my way. The mixture came out fine at the end, and my hair loved it. I'm also going to be adding the aloe vera juice here as well. And the next thing will be my honey, and I'm going to stir it all up together to make my clay mask the way I want it to be made. Alright you guys, so my mixtures, the thickness and consistency, I like it and what I want. It has a little bit of chunks in it, but that's okay. So I'm going to start adding this lovely mixture of my 5 products to my locks. Alright you guys, so I'm going to begin by applying this ACV mixture to my freshly washed hair. And I had braids in for about a month, so when I accumulated a whole bunch of new growth. My hair grows pretty fast when it's braided for some reason. So I have a spray bottle just in case. Left to go. Okay you guys, so I'm fully washed and rinsed, and the ACV did its thing. I hope I haven't missed anything. So my next step is just to basically detangle my hair a little more and add some leave-in to it, and I probably wear it in a high bun for work, and I'm basically done you guys. So thank you for watching. Let me get this together. Let me do a little length check real quick. Okay. I did have heat damage, mainly right here, so I cut all of it off, and it's way shorter than this side, but I don't care because it's healthy again. So you guys have a fabulous work week, because it is Sunday today, just in case I post this on a Friday. But have a fabulous Monday. Be blessed. Bless someone. Love always. Spread positivity. Encourage someone to do better. Compliment. Tell people that they're beautiful. Whatever you choose to do. I'm going to take my own advice as well. So, hey, this is your girl Geechee. I'm out, and I will see you guys in the next video.